Hi, so I'm Aking.
I'm JJ.
Hi everyone, I'm Ryan.
Hi, I'm Kong.
I'm the founder of Climate Technologies, where we make materials and technology more climate friendly. So we are currently focused on a product which substitutes single-use plastics using seaweed itself. So reducing your carbon emissions as well as reducing your pollution and climate change as a whole.
I'm the co-founder of Planium. Planium is an on-demand live streaming platform that offers edutainment content for children ages 2 to 7.
And I'm the founder of the Catalyst Collective. We are a youth-led ground-up that focuses on transforming existing spaces into accessible community spaces for youths and promote mental wellness through fun activities like board games and Dungeons and Dragons.
From the Moonbeam Company. So we make sustainable products, technologies, as well as communities through upcycling. So we are best known for Brewers Grains, a sustainable granola that's made of Brewers spent grains.
Currently, the biggest challenge I face is the uncertainty of how the business is. I am never sure on how to continue on the business. I'm never sure on what are the next steps to do.
Self-doubt, it's the biggest challenge I face. Entrepreneurial journey is full of obstacles. You solve one obstacle, the next obstacle will prop up.
So one of the hardest pain points that I always felt is trying to tell people that, hey, people who are struggling with mental health, people who are struggling with bullying, don't actually have a support system to turn to. And most of them will be like, "Aiya, this kind of thing very easy to solve one. You can ask your parents, you can ask your teachers." But in fact, there's actually a lot more nuance and more complex than that.
So as a startup, we are trying to connect food loss and food waste with consumer demands. So naturally, people are a bit more resistant because of the certain perceived notions of food waste and food loss, right? So now we are struggling to find a viable business model to actually let users, consumers, and even businesses to take this food loss and food waste.
I hope that the Creative Fellowship Programme can actually give me the mentorship I need, because as a solo entrepreneur, it's very hard to look at things from multiple directions, no matter how hard I try.
The network, that they give, I think that is the biggest takeaway from this program. Like I've been connected to mentors from this program. Shout out to Daryl. So yeah, that was a great mentor. He's a fantastic mentor. Provided us with different angles to our business. Made us reflect. So I think that was fantastic from the program.
So one thing I really wish for the fellowship to provide would be being able to meet the right connections and also being able to promote the activities that we have to the greater masses outside.
So through this program, we are looking out for very interesting, I would say, strategies to collaborate with other like-minded people so that we can encourage the adoption of this food loss and food waste in existing production.